Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today we will solve a question on strings. So let's begin. The question is, write a program to print the longest palindromic word in a given sentence. We have a sentence ABA, ACDEF, ABACABA, FREEG. So in this sentence there are two palindromes. One is ABA and the other is ABACABA. We are required to print the longest palindrome, which is ABACABA. Let's move to the code. So here I have already created a function isPalindrome, which will check if the given string is a palindrome and return true, otherwise it will return false. So here simply I've reversed the string and checked it with the original string. So if the reverse and the original string are equal, then it is a palindrome, else it is not. Here I have taken input as a sentence. Now let's extract words from the given sentence. We will pass these words to the isPalindrome function and we will also check for the longest palindrome. So let's see how we can do that. First of all, I am going to extract words from the given sentence. If ch is not equal to space, then we are going to append it to a temporary string. So let's take a temporary string which will store the words. So let's add these characters to the temporary string. Else, if we encounter a space, that means we have a word in temporary string. We are going to check if this word which is in temp is a palindrome or not. So if is palindrome is a routine which we have written. It expects a string as an argument. So let's pass it temp. We have also going to check that the given word is longer than the previously encountered word, palindromic word. So let's set a variable and then temp dot length should be greater than max length. If this is true, if both the conditions are true, then we set max length to temp dot length. That means we found a longer word than the previously encountered word, and we are also going to store that word in a answer variable. So let's store that word in the answer variable. Now how this will work is, the moment you find a longer palindrome than the previous palindrome, it will update it. And we are going to set temp to null again to check for the other palindrome, to check for other words in the sentence. Finally, we will print the longest palindrome. So that's the code. This is the word extraction logic here. Let's run this. So I'm going to enter some. So the longest palindrome is ABACA CABA. So our code is running fine. So that's about it for today's video. See you soon. Bye until then.